Hi, I'm Virangini Cindy Rounsaville, homeopathic, health consultant and educator, and the founder of ViranginiCindy.com. Today we're going to talk about when and how to refill a homeopathic remedy solution bottle, what's called an RSB. Let's first talk about when to fill a homeopathic remedy solution bottle. I recommend refilling when you have 1 inch of solution is left in your bottle. If you're going to be like me, it's going to be a ½ inch or a ¼ inch by the time you get around to doing so. You want to leave at least 1 dose of your solution in your bottle. If you allow your remedy solution bottle to go empty, you're going to lose all of those succussion you've been accumulating in your bottle. Let's explain what a succussion is. A succussion is tapping the bottom of the bottle against something resilient, like the palm of your hand. So if we were to say to do 10 succussion, you're going to tap the bottom of the bottle into the palm of your hand 10 times, each time before you take your remedy. So let me give an example. If you were taking your remedy once a day, and you're tapping that bottle 10 times, you did that for 30 days, your bottle would have 300 succussions in that bottle by 30 days. On day 31, refill your bottle with sprinkled distilled water, tap it 10 times, you'll have 310 succussion in the bottle. On day 32, tap the bottle again 10 more times, you have 320 succussion in the bottle. If you allow your remedy solution bottle to go empty, you're starting all over again with your succussions. On day 31, add 4 ounces of sprinkled distilled water to your empty remedy solution bottle, tap it 10 times, you're only going to have 10 succussions in that bottle. On day 32, tap it 10 more times again, you're only going to have 20 succussions in that bottle. So a homeopathic remedy solution bottle is stronger with 310 succussions rather than just 10 succussions. Let's talk about the supplies you need to have on hand. You're going to need a remedy solution bottle that needs to be refilled. You need a disposable cup that holds at least 4 ounces of water. We don't recommend using a regular drinking glass because the energy of that remedy may transfer into your drinking glass. And whoever's taking that remedy may be double dosed when they drink from that drinking glass. However, if you only have a drinking glass to use, what you will do is you will place that drinking glass on a sunny windowsill for 5 to 7 days. Thereafter, you can run it through the dishwasher. You need to add 4 ounces of sprinkled distilled water. You need alcohol as your preservative. Now, if you're not using alcohol, just like I explained in my video on how to make a remedy solution bottle, you continue to refrigerate your bottle overnight in the refrigerator. Alcohol needs to be 80 proof or stronger, so vodka would be a good choice. Or even Everclear, which is 190 proof. I like to dispense some alcohol from a 1 ounce dropper bottle. Now, if you don't have a 1 ounce dropper bottle, you can need a teaspoon. Now, if you're using a clear bottle, you may need a paper towel, you may need some tape. So let me show you how to refill a remedy solution bottle. You make some room here. And I'm going to show you how to do a clear one, so a better idea of what I'm doing here. All right, you're going to add your first step you're going to do is you're going to add your 4 ounces of sprinkled distilled water to your disposable cup. Next, you're going to add your alcohol. If you're using a 1 ounce dropper bottle, it's going to be 2 dropperfuls of alcohol. If you're using a teaspoon, it's going to be 1 to 3 teaspoons of alcohol. Close up your alcohol source. And I'm going to take this paper towel off so you have a better idea. You can see what I'm doing here. Now you see this black line here? This black line was drawn when this bottle was first made up. This bottle holds more than 4 ounces of water. So what we did was we poured 4 ounces of water in the bottle. We drew a magic marker line where the 4 ounce line is. So I know where my refill line is, my 4 ounce refill line is. Now, I'm not going to need all this spring distilled water because I have solution left in my bottle. So I'm just going to add water just to the 4 ounce line. Now, you do not need to add any more of your homeopathic remedy. You can. It's not going to make the remedy bottle any stronger. You're just going to go through your supply. Now, as long as you left 1 dose in your bottle, you don't need to add any more pellets. Now I'm going to put my paper towel. Now this paper towel is on this bottle because it's got a clear bottle. And this is to keep sunlight from going into the bottle, from de-energizing my bottle. I'm going to wrap it around like so. I also tape the bottom, so a little more security measure. When I go to pick the bottle up, I pick the whole thing up rather than just the sleeve. Now I use my paper towel as my label. I put the remedy name, Lycopodium, the potency 30C, and my date is May 12th, 2018. Now if you were to change out your paper towel, you put the remedy name, potency, and the original date that you made your bottle up in. You may say, like, why would you put the original date on? If this bottle should go bad or break, you want the original date when you start taking that remedy, in case you need to add all those succussions to that bottle. So that's how you fill a clear one. Now for a 4-ounce Boston Round Amber bottle, you're going to follow the same steps. 4 ounces sprinkled distilled water, 1 to 3 teaspoons of alcohol, and the 4-ounce line is the shoulders of the bottle. For a 1-ounce dropper bottle, same thing. 1 ounce of sprinkled distilled water, a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of alcohol, and again, on the Boston Round is the shoulders of the bottle. So that is it. So that's how you refill a homeopathic limited solution bottle. Go to ViranginiCindy.com, check out some more great free information on homeopathy there. Create for yourself a healthy, energizing day. I'll see you soon.